A few weeks ago, I gave a presentation on practical database automation with Ansible at PerconaLive ONLINE 2021. I had some pretty good questions come out of that session. One of my favorites was, why would I use Ansible over custom scripts? So today I answered that question by providing 3 reasons to use Ansible over custom scripts. I'm Derek Downey from Distributed DBA. Keep watching. During my presentation at PerconaLive 2021, one person asked a really great question. The question was basically, what is the greatest reason to using Ansible over custom scripts? I really like this question because I've been there. When I first started using Ansible, I had years of homegrown automated bash scripts to handle database tasks. Anytime a new task came up that needed to be solved, my first inclination was to write a new bash script. I admit to using bash over Python because it required less dependencies to be installed. So I'll answer the question by providing 3 reasons I now default to using Ansible when faced with automating a new database task. I'll present these reasons in reverse order, but they build on each other. The third reason that I like using Ansible over custom scripts is that Ansible provides a common framework for solving tasks. I don't have to duplicate code by copying functions that provide capabilities like logging or error handling, or couple my program to a library that provides that. And the playbooks that I write can sit nicely next to the plays that other teams write for handling application scaling or other system administration tasks. Ansible has a really easy to understand configuration language in YAML, so it's basically self-commenting. And also, with Ansible, you don't have to install a lot of dependencies. You basically install Ansible and the Python database library to connect to your database, and you're good to go. The second reason to use Ansible over custom scripts is that it allows you to scale your automation with your environment. Spinning up a new database machine required copying my scripts over to that machine so they could be used to provision the server. In my early years as a database administrator, I would often find different versions of my script on different machines. Keeping these scripts in sync was a chore. Ansible, by default, provides one location where the scripts are, and it works by pushing the tasks to the servers you are automating. And if you find yourself with too many servers that the push model won't work on, Ansible provides an Ansible pull script to switch to a pull model. This will help remove any issues with scaling. And it's all built in. I don't have to create the logic to do this. So Ansible offers the flexibility needed to scale. And the number one reason why I default to using Ansible over custom scripts is the large library of modules that are provided by Ansible and its community. Modules in Ansible are basically Python functions that handle a specific task, such as adding a database user. These modules handle validation checks and provide error handling, so you avoid making unintended changes, all without having to write your own function. And because Ansible is open source, you can review the module to see what it's doing, and trust that it is well tested by the community. And if there is a task that you want to do that doesn't have a module already, you can write your own and contribute it back to the Ansible community. So if you are starting a new automation task for your database, I recommend you consider using Ansible over yet another custom script. If it is your first venture into using Ansible, it will take some getting used to. But the common framework, the ability to scale with flexibility, and the large library of community-provided modules makes Ansible the best choice for most of your database automation tasks.